Cyber insecurity has been identified as the biggest risk facing India in 2026, according to the World Economic Forum's Global Risk Report released ahead of the Davos meeting. The report places cyber threats above economic slowdown, income inequality, and armed conflict. It warns that critical infrastructure, including water systems and digital financial networks, is increasingly vulnerable to cyber attacks amidst rising geopolitical tension. The WEF also flagged the growing danger of deep fakes and online misinformation, warning that they pose a serious threat to democratic processes, including elections in India. Globally, geo-economic conflict has emerged as the top risk, overtaking climate concerns and societal polarization. However, for India, cyber insecurity remains the most immediate and pressing challenge. The report calls for urgent investment in digital resilience and cybersecurity preparedness to prevent large-scale disruption.